All right. Let me know if the music is a little bit too loud. I feel like my audio, actually, let me check real quick. We got 4 minutes till market open. Let me know if the music is a little bit too loud. I feel like my audio, actually. All right, it's looking like it's cool until somebody says otherwise. Um, I'm not sure what it's picking up. Um, I'm not sure what it's picking up, but anyway, let's get started. Good morning to all. Market's looking a bit, a bit, uh, market's looking a bit, you know. I feel like I just keep, I feel like I flip, um, bearish. I don't know. Of course, like intraday, short term, not overall, but I feel like I keep, you know, hop on, hop on live, and it's like, yeah, feeling bearish today. I feel like that's been the case for like the past 2 weeks. Um, Nonetheless, though, market open in about a minute. We getting a sell-off now. What I would like to see today would be preferably uh a tag of London and uh yesterday's high. Maybe reject off this pivot and look for sell side off of that. It looks like we're not going to be getting that, or hopefully we do. Let's see where SPY has this gap to the down, which I feel as though it gets filled today. So that's really what I'm looking at. It's really what I'm looking at for right now, at least. And DX, you got 188. Let's see what premiums are looking like today. You're looking a bit juice. We can see 120. I peeped that it's best to, I don't know, kind of give it like a couple minutes for options and let whatever the Greeks do whatever, and prices tend to, fix this. Excuse me. Fix itself after a couple of minutes. But yeah, looking like it's gonna be a big day today. Should be fairly easy to trade. So let's see. One of two things happen. We could sell off right here and bounce and continue to trade higher. Or we could fill this gap in and keep going down. But kind of like yesterday, we're gonna give it some time. We missed our entry yesterday by a couple, like 50 cents on the NASDAQ. So yeah, I'm really liking shorts today. It's just a matter of whether we're gonna get our entry or not. But make sure y'all like the stream. Like the stream, it helps out a lot. Yeah, we're going. Today's gonna be a good day. Today will be a good day. I really like short out of this area, but we got this 15-minute close above this inverse right here at 8:30. So, you know, really wasn't looking to really not paying this any mind anymore. Actually, let's get this off the chart. Don't want to confuse y'all. Yeah. Let's see if we can see R1 before we see the pivot. Let's see what calls are looking like. 25.4. That is doable. It is doable. Oh, give me a second. I gotta log into my broker. Give me a second. All right. All good, all good, all good. If it's echoing or anything, let me know that too. We got this 15-minute that we're in. Let's see if price delivers out of that or not. It's looking like it's looking short, in my opinion. It's looking short. I would rather us take out these highs though before anything. I'm just going 800. Yeah, and you woke up. Yeah. I don't have a conviction to take anything right now either, brother. Put that out there. Take it off. SPY is close to taking pre-market high. Oh, at least it was. No clear draw yet. Let's see. The 2-minute has been good to us. One could have taken this at 9, but so our target for sell side would be Asia lows. So let's see if we can grab buy side first, and you know, go from there. Definitely not looking for any type of continuation going up from this point. So yeah. Excuse me. Getting over a cold. I'm tempted to just hop in short. It's like at least first target being 612 and see where we go from there. But like we just tapped into this 2-minute. We're buying it back up though. Let's see. Like I said, Josh, I don't like anything yet, so not gonna take anything. Something's gotta give, especially with SPY being fairly close to all-time highs. SPY just took pre-market high. Gotta have some tea at the highs. Okay. Let's see if this targets and my phone is glitching. Come on, bro. Might jab longs right here off of this. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway. See if we take Asia lows out. It's nice though. We got that SMT at the high. Um, then bounced. I mean, it then dumped. Um, one of two things. This can pick up right here. This will pick up right here. We put in a gap right here. Let's see if this either takes it or not. So you don't have any volume down here. I'm sorry, I'm on the 15-minute. So we have some volume. This is what I'm looking at right now. I'm sorry. I didn't combine. Oh, no. It's a different time frame. This is, I'm looking at this 2-minute right here. If this gets a bounce right here, might take something like this. Like that. Premiums are low. I'm looking at SPX and not NDX. Let's see how we get, I would say, so our next draw will be what was this? Yesterday's 10 a.m. low. About 25, so let's see. Really want to see us tap into this to this 2-minute. We got VWAP right there. See how we react out of that. It's not looking like it want to take this pivot though, which usually isn't a good sign. I'm gonna mute my mic. About to eat real quick, so. But this is what I'm looking like. If I hop in, I'll try to alert you as fast as I can. All right. So I'm back. Had to, excuse me. Had to put that burrito down real quick. Yeah, man. Uh, so we took Asia. Took Asia lows. Um, let's see if we can get a continuation short, or if she wants to keep selling. We didn't tap into this 2-minute though, so didn't see anything. We have this 2-minute right here though, in an ultra bearish case. Let's see. Only thing is we got this one right here that we could have a reaction off of. So I would much rather wait. Let's see. Let's play like a higher time frame one. Like this 5-minute. And let's see. This could either continue to go lower from here and test these pivots that we have down, or it can continue to trade higher. Let's see, 50-point stop. This isn't terrible. I don't hate it. Not gonna lie, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I think I might jab it. Let's jab shorts right here. For us to get a continuation down. If this 2-minute inverses, probably just hop right out. Not gonna lie. If this 2-minute inverses. Let's see. I'm filled though. It looks like we're testing a 15 right now. 15 EMA. Stop 283. Honestly, it'd probably go 256. Something more like that. Oh, sweet. 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 I trimmed some right there. Trimmed some right there. At a thou wow. Oh, y'all go break even now. Break even on the rest. It's nice, 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 nice. Put in this 1 minute right here. Yeah, news. Thought news came out at Thought news came out at 8 today. What's today? 12. Yeah, it's 8:30. Got CPI tomorrow. That's sweet. That's sweet. That's sweet. That's cool, chat. Secured. What's that? About 1,000 right there. Break even on the rest. And yep, the runners just got hit for break even, which is all good. Yeah, man. Runners got hit for break even, which is all good. But I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So let's take this for the take this for the server. Hopefully it doesn't, and it does. Open it up right here. Close that. That's sweet. We on to the next one. We're on to the next one. We are going to be more careful. For those who didn't go break even on the rest of them, full TP is about to be hit. I'm cool with that though, because I don't want to go over my consistency on I don't want to go over on my consistency rules. Full TP indeed would have been hit though. Or just about, what was it? Higher time frame. Let's just let it rock out. I gotta be more mindful. That was a 10 o'clock candle. Let's see where our next draw would be. Computer's frozen right now. It looks like we test this higher time frame. Uh, honestly, before going any higher. Like I said, let's see. These past couple of days, I literally just forgot what I was doing on my phone. But like this past week, honestly, price has been, you know, not following the quote unquote rules. Um, so we'd take out liquidity or grab liquidity and then um honestly not, you know, do what we're supposed to do from that point. So even though we took Asia, and I would like for price to trade higher. Um, we could for sure be targeting this low. Maybe even this low down there at about 25K. So let's see. I do like for price to go higher from here though. Feel like that's a good jump. You gotta see where's NDX. Yeah. Honestly, that's the only other thing I see. See what premiums are like. Let's see what premiums are like. Probably looking at a 24.8. I don't like it. We would have to get down there. I'm not a fan of it. This was our point of control for yesterday though, so if bulls can't hold 25 and like a bean, we probably is gonna see 2,500 today. But premiums are a little bit spiked right now, so let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna stay on the 2 minute. 2 minute has been our friend. So honestly, I might even just take this let me look at it one more time before I decide. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this 5 minute off because we're about to put in a 15 minute right there. So what I'm looking at now would be this gap. I feel as though if we could clear it with some momentum, leaves us green to continue to trade higher. It's only first hour in the market, so we're still good. Or we could reject here and seek out those lows. Let's see. Our point of control is still up too, so. And we have a pivot in this area. So shorts at right here is looking really good, if I do say so myself. SPY's point of control flip down here at the bottom though, so it's not necessarily a good sign unless we get a nice strong move up in the next 10 minutes. I really want to see 613 though. Really want to see 613. I told y'all I'm gonna start using it across one instead of flipping, but I like seeing the strikes for as far as options. I like seeing the strikes for them. So like 613, instead of just taking a short out of this gap that I'm looking at over here on my futures chart. You know, strikes do matter when you're playing options. So let's see what it would look like. We got 25-1. About 100 more points, give or take. Not buying it. I want a clean tap. I want a clean tap. I would like a clean tap. See if price action wants to piss me off today, or if we can actually trade, bro. All we're looking for, I feel like this is a good quality short. We made money off puts already right here. Full TP being hit. Now we're probably gonna jab short again. About right here. Stop at this high and then target these lows. See if we can get that. Well, let's see if we can see it on this little Papa Laba Daba Laba Daba Daba Laba. Papa Laba Dabalis. This Papa Laba Daba Daba Labalis. Come on, man. This price action making me sleepy. Don't really got nothing here. Took Asia already. Let's yeah, SPY flip this John. SPX. Let's see what SPX options looking like. Probably be able to get into them and just go hands off. Looking for 911. Yeah. Not terrible. Because that would be the target at least. I feel like this gets an oh, there we go. There we go. On this Papalabadopoulos. Does that want to sustain? Of course. Of course. We're looking at about 278 for an entry. Which is became 20 points away from. This is price action is rage baiting me right now. Not gonna lie. I'm being rage baited. I'm being rage baited. What is this bull? I'm literally being rage baited right now. Sorry if the stream ends. It's because I unplugged my computer by mistake. I unplugged my charger. Yeah, I'm being rage baited right now, though. For sure. For sure, being rage baited. Like I said, I think I said it during pre-market when I was mapping it out, but it's almost like for the past maybe week or so, where like New York Open is like respecting like stuff like this. Like we inverse this, tap back into it, and then we're like dumping, and then like whatever gaps we form during like the New York session is most of them be traps. Now given yes, I am expecting New York session to be trappy, but like literally every single gap, maybe not. We could possibly look for a trade a little higher, something like this. Tap into this 5 minute that's within this 15 minute. Stop like that. I love it. Breaking news. White House is ending immigration crackdown in Minnesota. What that has to do with the market, beats me. Not gonna lie. Is it good? Is this bullish? Need Trump to come out and make a statement. New all-time highs for the stock market. All 2026. I'm predicting 1,000% increase on the S&P 500. I'm bored. I really like this setup right here, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I really like this, John. I really like this, John. Um, where we at? 25. I put this 25.13. Let's see. Let's see our predicted gain from that. Simulated 25. Yeah, I really like this area. Really do like this area. We got this 5-minute gap up here, but you know, it's kind of like whatever. Yeah, man. Feel like we could jab it right here at this first 5 minute. Our stop is above these highs, so I feel like we're fairly good. I just don't want to see POC to pick up right here before our point of control to you know, change down here, because then it's like, you know, you might as well call that GG's. Might as well call that GG's. I will stay hands off for sure if we flip in this area, and it's looking like they won't flip it. I ain't gonna lie. We're done with futures trading today. Sorry for those for those who missed the trade. I apologize. Um, I apologize, but yeah, we are most likely, or I'm 80% sure we're done with those. I gotta request my payout, and then gotta request my payout, uh, and yeah, make sure I'm under consistency. So yeah. Well, this 15 minutes should this 15 minutes should be good to us. If we go as high as this, 227. See NASDAQ. I used to have the Power 3 set indicator called. I'm not sure, it just got too much, you know, too cluttered, whatnot. I don't know what this is. You know, we're not testing the pivot. We're not, you know, tapping into any higher time frame gap. Yeah, this is honestly just chopping around. So it's no bueno. Literally chopping around. Should not be where's it at? I found it yesterday. Highlighter. Will not be trading anything in here. You know? It's no bueno. You could go right back down here. Yeah, we couldn't even get a test of this pivot before you know, making a decision on where it wants to go. So yeah, GG's. I mean, we got this 1 minute that we're reacting out of, but the way price is moving, definitely not don't feel the conviction of taking a 1 minute jaw. So SPY tested VWAP. Indeed they did. I was tempted to get those SPX puts. Let's see. Let's see. I might take a stab at this. Short. Target like yesterday's low. I think I might take it on or not. What the freak is that? Don't know, fellas. This could for sure see 608, but um, I am not. I don't know. Let's see a draw on SPX. Honestly, could be 20. I don't know. Don't know. Came a couple points away from our entry. Now we're dumping. I'll say, man, this thing truly has a mind of its own. I like a bounce off 608. A sweep of yesterday's. Um, a sweep of yesterday's low. I'm gonna bounce up. Our PLC will probably flip. Once you get back in, up in here. Yeah. Oh, that didn't pan out. Like I said, I like a bounce from here, so probably looking at 25-1 strike. So very, very doable. Let's see. Let's wait till we get a full test of we're just about 25-2 actually. Wait till we get a full test of this pivot. Okay. All right, I hopped in. NDX calls. Right here. Stop right there. Really targeting our next pivot, but you know, we'll play it by ear. See what we look like when we get right there. So Break even if no momentum indeed. This is good. This is good. Like I said, I'm willing to sit through a little bit of draw. If we get that, just because we have yesterday's low right here, and then we do have that daily pivot if price wants to seek that out. But yeah, not looking for anything crazy right here since we're already up. You know, maybe a couple $100, unless we get like a strong move. But I'm really gonna be skeptical once we tap into this 5-minute gap. So that will be our first. We'll trim it there. But yeah. See what price wants to do. Really just be patient. Might update y'all in the server, honestly, because this could slow grind it up like it did yesterday. 25.5. Yeah, I would love 25.9. Yeah, see? You got that SMT, and then that moved down, so... See what we get with, you put in another 5-minute,
5-minute thumb timer. Starting there.
oh, wow. Nobody told you to do that. Tired of this daggone phone. We put in another 5-minute right here, so um let's see what price wants to do. Oh yeah. Out of that. What's this range? It's about $1,000 range, bro. New low. It looks like we're respecting. Respecting this 9, which is a strong bearish signal. Not mad because we did jump this early, but we took out yesterday's low, so I would like to see a strong move back up from here. Took out the low. Let's see. Volume isn't doing anything though, so it's volume's not doing anything, bro. Yeah, GG's. Ready to wrap it up. I'll update y'all in the server on how this go, but this price action is just pissing me off. It's nothing. This will probably target these lows down here for all I freaking know. So yeah, it'll be 1 for 1 on a day. I'm gonna clip it here. Catch y'all tomorrow. Or tonight. I might hop on Asia session tonight. But yeah. If not, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning, 9:30. It's Friday, so probably take it super light tomorrow as well. And yeah, I'll see y'all.